Ever wondered why your eyes water when you yawn? Let's dive into the science behind it. When you yawn, your facial muscles contract, putting pressure on your tear glands. This pressure causes the glands to release tears, which is why your eyes water. Yawning also helps increase oxygen intake, which can make you feel more alert. It's a natural response, and everyone experiences it, from kids to adults. So, next time you yawn and your eyes water, you'll know it's just your body's way of balancing itself. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hey, comment below if you have any other curious questions.